Welcome to Seriously Read a Book. Today's book is Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. So, as happens every now and then, my daughter Rose is helping tell this story, so you'll notice that she has a very important part very soon. Okay, here we go. It says, Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Here we go. You ready? What's that?
Hi! My name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No! We can't! We mustn't! Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push.
Oh, sorry.
Give the button one little push.
I don't think you hit the button, Rose. You hit the gray part. You hit the gray part again. Try to hit the red part. There you go.
Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again.
Push it again. Are you struggling? How about that? There you go.
Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times.
See what happens. What do you think's gonna happen? Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys.
Okay, I'll do this one, okay? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna shake the book. Shake, shake, shake. Shaking the book, shaking the book, shaking the book, shaking the book. Getting rid of all the extra Larrys. Here we go.
Almost. A little more.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Think it's gonna work, Rose?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal.
Okay. I'll let you do that, Rose. Scratching Larry's tummy. Okay, let's see what happens.
That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.
Go ahead, Rose. You did it 3 times?
No! Do-do-do-do-do!
The end. Thank you for watching Don't Push the Button, and thank you, Rose, for helping with your hand. You want to raise your hand up and wave at the camera? Yay. Thanks so much.